hey, so nowadays AI agents wanted to access the production system, and every enterprise wanted to use that because they wanted to move fast. And it contains customer data, source code, financial data, databases, like anything. But most companies give agents the same permission as their users, but that's not a security, that's a breach waiting to happen. Let me show you how fine-grained authorization for AI agents in 2 minutes. So this is like a quick overview how the authorization layer works. So every agent tool will go through then authorization gateway. It checks an OpenFGA. OpenFGA is basically an open source authorization engine, so that before allowing any action, it will check for that. We will enforce 3 levels of access to that. It could be like a team level access, project level isolation, or like the operations restrictions. I've tried to create an overview to this, how it looks like. I basically created these permission metrics. So like how could be like a overview over the access time. You can also do this at project level, teams level, and also the tools level. Like, okay, you can't for sure delete the GitHub repository. And how it actually works is, it's basically controls this OpenFGA file. You can also maintain this via UI. OpenFGA provides this like a playground to that. You don't need to write all of this. And also it's an open source, and so yeah, it's an easy to way through the community also. And how it works is, I created a small simulation tool that, and so yeah, you can run these things, and it will check for all the situations. I've created some example situation, but of course you can add more. And every situation adds the audit trails that, and if anything goes wrong, it also throws an alert to that. Why audit trails? Because nowadays agents can install and quick export anything, send anything, but there's no audit trails to that. But you need something for your security audits, for your GDPR compliance, SOC 2 compliance, HIPAA compliance. So you need to be double sure, and also to check and block the systems once you find something wrong or if anything breach happen. So yeah, this was like a quick demo. I think the main value out of it is like you can't trust the agent, and especially in the enterprise situation, this gives you like more a zero trust for AI agent. The blast radius is relatively lesser now. It's also compliance ready because it also the audit trails, and the OpenFGA does the sub-milliseconds checks, which is like very, very good enough for the scale. And so this is like a sort of a demo which I've created. This code is also open source. You can also find a link below. And I'm Siddhant, an OpenFGA maintainer. If I'm trying to deploy AI agents needs and it needs an authorization, let's talk about it. Yeah. Thank you.